Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. Tables are very important for data visualization. In this today's video, we are going to see how to create tables in HTML. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here I am creating a new file named tables.html. Let's get a basic HTML syntax by typing doc keyword. Now in the body, to create a table, we have a tag called table. Let's add this tag. Now look at this picture. It has total 3 columns and 4 rows. So let's create this table in HTML. Here the column names are the heading of the table. So to create the table heading, we have a tag called thead. Type thead and hit enter. Inside this, let's create our first row. To create a row, we have tr tag. Type tr and hit enter. Tr means table row. Inside this tag, let's add th tag and let's type the name of our first column. So the name of our first column is first name. Type first name here. Okay, now let's duplicate this. Press Shift, Alt and down arrow to duplicate. Type the name of second column, last name. Duplicate it again and here type the last column name H. Now let's see this in the browser. Right click here and open this page in live server. You can see here our table head is looking like this. Let's add some data here. So to add data in table, let's add tbody tag. Tbody means table body. Table body contains all the data of our table. Now let's create one more row using tr tag. Type tr and hit enter. Inside this, type td and hit enter. TD means table data. Now here type the data of first column. Here I am typing Imran. Duplicate it and add the last name. Then add the age. Okay, get back to browser. Now you can see here our table is looking like this. Let's add some more data. Duplicate this row and change the values. Let's see this in the browser. You can see here the table is created. I know it's not looking like a table. We need to add some border here, but that is the part of CSS. We will see about it when we start learning CSS. This is just a starter video of tables. We are going to see more about it in our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video informative. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. Like this video and share it with your friends. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.